York City, Detroit, the big daddy cities, you can get a parking ticket.
Or?
Well, just parking illegally.
Okay.
Some of you have been through that. I've been through that. We're late to the whatever, opera, whatever we're doing, my wife and I. We're always late. And you scramble for parking.
Really?
Well, once in 10 years we'll go to an opera. I like the Phoenix Symphony.
Yes.
You know, I'm a brass musician. I like to have a little medley of this, that, and the other thing. But I end up nudging her because she's falling asleep. She want to go to Ozzy Osbourne. San Francisco, unfairly, while an individual had parked on that intersection in her little comfy, cozy spot, she parked there for years. Never a problem. One morning, she parked, she got up, and there was a ticket and some no parking zone paint freshly laid around her vehicle.
That's just not right. That's messed
That is dastardly.
That is.
That's an April Fool's kind of thing.
Listen, my San Franciscans, I know that life can be rough, but give somebody a break.
That's horrible.
I mean, wouldn't you set a construction like cone?
That reminds me of like Roscoe Pico train and these speed trap
boy. You'll be coming by here just any moment now.
Right. If you go back to the sort of cynical portion.
Wow.
I mean, I get it. You park illegally, you park illegally. There you go. You park in small business that's limited in parking. Friday night, restaurant, they're popping, and here's 5 cars. But here is a couple that is parked on specifically the corner of Union and Larkin. They've been doing that for years. They wake up to a ticket and a freshly red-painted curb.